If you're willing to work hard to make money on YouTube, then stick around. I'm about to give you a step-by-step guide to create a YouTube channel and enable monetization. To create a YouTube channel and enable monetization, you must follow these steps. Step 1. Create a Google and YouTube account. When creating a Google account, it creates an account for every Google product, so all you have to do is to click here to create a Google account. Once you click there, it will take you to the Google sign up page. And there, you have to enter all the necessary details. And then click on Next. In the place of email address, you can enter your new email address which you are going to create, or you can enter your other used email address. After clicking on Next, it will ask you to read their privacy policy. Once you complete reading, click on I agree. A welcome screen will appear showing your username, and you will find you are logged in with your new Google account. Click on the Google Apps button, and go to the YouTube icon. And that's it. We have successfully created our Google and YouTube account. Step 2. Create a YouTube channel. To create a YouTube channel, go to the right top corner of the page. You will find our avatar. After clicking on our avatar, you will see an option, My Channel. Here you have to enter the channel name you want to create. And then click on Create Channel. Once you created your channel, it will take you to a page which has lots of customization options. Using these options, you can customize your channel. In order to do that, click on Customize Channel. Here, you can add our profile picture and channel art. Channel art looks different on the desktop, mobile, and TV displays. Larger images may be cropped. For the best results on all devices, it's recommend uploading 2560 by 1440 px image. And that's it, you have successfully created your YouTube channel. Step 3, upload video and enable monetization. You can upload videos to YouTube in a few easy steps. Click on upload icon at the top of the page. Click on select files to upload. Select the video you'd like to upload from your computer. As the video is uploading, you can edit both the basic information and the advanced settings of the video. And of course, you can also choose a costume thumbnail to a video. But at the moment we don't have this option, that's because our YouTube account is not yet verified. So for now, let's just select one of these thumbnails. Click Publish to finish uploading a public video to YouTube. After you start uploading videos, next step is to enable monetization. Before enabling monetization, you have to verify your YouTube channel. Simply click on Verify. It will ask you to choose your country. Next, you have to choose between automated voice message and text verification code. You can use any of this option to get verified your channel. After that, it will ask you to enter your phone number. Just enter your phone number and click on Submit. Then you will get 6-digit OTP on your phone. Enter the OTP in the desired place and click on Submit button. And you see here that you are already verified. After that, go to YouTube Studio. Select Other Features. And click on Monetization. It says, you can enable monetization anytime, but it will only get approved when your channel gets at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers. This requirement is necessary for new channels to get approved for monetizing their videos. Now you have to follow the 4 steps to enable monetization and link your Google AdSense account. Step 1. Read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. Click on Start. Follow the on-screen steps to accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Step 2. Sign up for AdSense. Click on Start. It will redirect you to the Google AdSense. Create a new AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to earn money from your videos and get paid. If you are creating a new AdSense account, then use the same Google ID on which you have created your YouTube channel. You can use other IDs too, but using the same ID is better. Step 3. Set monetization preferences. Set what types of ads you want to run on your videos and automatically turn on monetization for all your existing and future videos. Click Save. Step 4. Get reviewed. Once your channel meets the program threshold, YouTube will review your application to make sure your channel activity adheres to the YouTube Partner Program policies, YouTube Terms of Service, and community guidelines. They will let you know as soon as the process is complete. If you don't have enough views for a review yet, keep making original content and growing your audience. This view count threshold gives us enough information to determine the validity of a channel. It also allows us to confirm if a channel is following our community guidelines and advertiser policies. This way you have successfully created YouTube channel and enabled monetization. YouTube will start showing ads on your video and you will start earning from those ads. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you found this useful. If you still have any question or need any suggestions, you can ask me in the comments below.